Here are more steps to prepare for your construction site in Kenya. Material storage. Plan designated areas for storing construction materials and equipment. Erosion control. Implement erosion control measures such as silt fences to prevent soil erosion. Environmental compliance. Adhere to environmental regulations and incorporate eco-friendly practices. Site office setup. Establish a temporary site office with necessary facilities for project management. Communication infrastructure. Set up communication infrastructure for effective coordination among the construction team. Community engagement. Engage with the local community to address concerns and maintain positive relations. Finally, regular inspections. Conduct regular inspections to ensure compliance with safety and environmental standards. Remember to consult with local authorities and professionals such as Veewave Enterprises to ensure adherence to specific regulations and standards in Kenya.